In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a payment method in Facebook Ads Manager step by step. If you want to run Facebook or Instagram ads, adding a valid payment method is one of the first things you need to do before your campaigns can start spending. The process is very simple, and in this guide, I'll walk you through exactly where to go and how to connect your card, PayPal account, or other payment options to your Meta advertising account. First, open your web browser and go to the Meta Ads Manager website. Log into the Facebook account connected to your advertising account. Once you're inside Ads Manager, make sure you select the correct ad account if you manage multiple businesses or advertising profiles. After entering the dashboard, look toward the left side menu and locate the Billing or Billing and Payments section. Depending on your version of Ads Manager, you may need to click the menu icon first to expand all available options. Once you find Billing, click on it to open your payment settings. Inside the Billing section, you'll see information about your current balance, transaction history, payment activity, and connected payment methods. Look for the option labeled Payment Settings or Add Payment Method and click on it to continue. Facebook will now display the available payment options for your region. In most countries, you can add a credit card, debit card, PayPal account, online banking method, or sometimes manual payment options. Select the payment method you want to use for your ads. Next, enter your payment information carefully. If you're adding a card, type your card number, expiration date, cardholder name, billing address, and security code exactly as they appear on the card. Double-check all information before continuing to avoid verification or billing issues later. After entering your details, click Save or Continue. Facebook may temporarily verify your card or payment method by making a small authorization charge, which is usually refunded automatically. In some cases, your bank may also send a verification code or security notification to confirm the transaction. Once the payment method is successfully added, it will appear inside your payment settings as an active billing option. Facebook will then use this payment method to charge you for future advertising costs whenever your ads begin running. It's also a good idea to add a backup payment method if possible. This can help prevent campaigns from stopping unexpectedly if your primary card expires, gets declined, or runs into payment issues. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to add a payment method in Facebook Ads Manager. Once your billing setup is complete, you'll be ready to launch campaigns, manage ad spending, and run Facebook and Instagram ads without payment interruptions. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more Facebook ads, meta, and digital marketing tutorials.